Mint has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments for many years. There are many human studies documenting the impact mint has on the body, digestion support and irritable bowel syndrome relief. With time, research could confirm also that mint is useful in treating a wider variety of illnesses. These are some medicinal uses of mint leaves. Number 1. Indigestion, biliousness, flatulent colic, summer diarrhea. Mix fresh leaves juice of mint with a teaspoonful of lime juice and honey. Take this thrice daily. Number 2. Loss of appetite, tastelessness. Prepare infusion of mint leaves and take 2 teaspoonfuls 3 times a day. Number 3. Hyperacidity. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons putina leaves juice 3 times a day. Number 4. Painful periods. Start drinking mint tea few days before expected periods. Number 5. Morning sickness, iron deficiency anemia. Take fresh mint leaves. Wash properly. Grind leaves in mortar and pestle to extract juice without adding much water. Mix with lemon juice. In a glass add water, lemon and mint juice. Mix honey as per taste and drink few times a day. Number 6. Tuberculosis, asthma, bronchitis. Take a teaspoonful of fresh mint juice. Mix 2 teaspoonful of pure malt vinegar and 2 teaspoonful of honey. Now mix this in 100 milliliters carrot juice. Drink 3 times a day. Number 7. Skin dryness, pimples, acne. Apply fresh mint juice on the face every night. Wash with plain water next morning. Number 8. Insect stings, eczema, scabies, contact dermatitis. Apply fresh leaves juice on the affected area. Number 9. Bad breath, gum problems. Chew fresh leaves of mint. Learn how to prepare mint tea and what are its benefits. Mint tea is prepared from mint leaves, pudina in Hindi. It has refreshing and aromatic taste. You can drink this tea hot or cold. Mint tea gives relief from digestive system problems such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, nausea, vomiting. This preparation is also useful in colic, common cold and bad breath. If you are using fresh herb for tea preparation, then make sure to remove imperfect leaves and wash the herb thoroughly to remove dirt and soil. You can dry mint leaves for using later. For this purpose select perfect leaves, wash to remove dirt and soil, then dry with clean towel. Hang or spread these leaves on mesh for faster drying. Always dry in shade. Ingredients of mint tea. A handful of fresh mint leaves, boiling water, honey or sugar as per taste. Recipe of mint tea. Take water, 150 milliliters, in pan. Bring it to boil. Add handful of chopped mint leaves in this boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes. Filter tea and drink hot. You may add honey as per taste. If you are diabetic, then avoid adding honey or sugar. Benefits of mint tea. Mint tea gives relief in cramps, poor digestion, nausea, vomiting, heartburn, abdominal pains, spasm, headaches, common cold.